Hey guys, welcome back to Talk Up TV 1. Hey. And today we are going to do
Would you rather challenge?
yeah.
So the rules are
Alright, you need to start with that.
one rule. Alright.
So who's gonna say the rules? You want me to say it or
I
you?
can say it.
Okay.
No, you say it. There is only one rule. If you
Alright,
don't want to answer a question, you would have to eat one dice of aloe vera, also known as
Aloe vera.
Bible.
Aloe vera.
Simple Bible.
So then, basically, if you can't answer, choose between one or the other, way or other, you have to go taste this. And I don't know why I agree to it.
Swallow. You have to swallow it. You have to eat it. You have to eat it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, let's get into it. First question. Where? So that's not coming.
Let me know I'm coming every day.
So one person will ask one person and then everybody will answer.
No, yeah, alright.
Alright.
We have a
Yes, you-
clockwise. Alright.
You will go first. You will
Yeah,
ask
get
who
that
it-
on.
I'm a captain.
No,
Yeah,
it- pick
yeah,
up.
pick one.
Alright.
Anyways,
Yeah, man, that
hi.
Yo.
Alright, so I'll go first.
Alright.
Ariel,
Why me?
would you rather have sex with your cousin or eat 1 pound of horse mess? Drinkers, drink up. Eat the horse mess, vegetable.
Wait, we probably can't. No, we can't. Wait, we can answer. 1 pound. I 1 pound for them.
One pot of flour, man.
Moist flour. Go.
Really? Don't do that. Oh gosh, don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that. That's not nice. We're not gonna not gonna like so never see aloe vera before.
Swallow it. No, man, no.
Okay.
The throat number two.
Okay, next one.
Alright, question are grown that way. You can
Happy days
ask,
now.
yeah, man, you can take a act there now.
Revenge.
You're the killer mother? No, sorry. You're the killer sister, your father.
My father. Me can't say I kill me. No, me can't choose because it's all like it's
I know.
already.
You can't choose.
You choose already.
You can't choose.
Anyone you want.
No, she
You
can't
need to
choose.
take back that.
She can't choose. She
You need
needs
to
to
take back that. And I'm here to share your gift.
Yes. Yes.
Come.
Yes. No, man. You need to
Swallow
wear
it. Is that this bad?
No. You just put me in the corner, bitch.
I was so lucky.
Wow.
But it's funny.
Say
No,
not
you
yet,
see the thing, it had this little taste. When we just stick it up, but like it just do something to my tongue and just and then alright, okay.
And me.
Oh.
Yeah. Would you rather have a golden voice or a silver tongue? Stiff tongue.
I don't even know what that means.
Me not understand me that. The golden voice, like me can sing good.
Sing, yeah.
And the golden
The silver tongue.
mean what?
I don't know, probably dumb.
So what the sense of the
Well, me take the voice still. I'm not with the tongue. Thank you for that easy one. My time and now. Alright. Let's see. Hold on. You can't go back straight on a tone.
I mean, I'm gonna get my first name.
Alright, would you rather? Would you rather spend 10 years in a prison or lose one of your foot then?
10 years in prison.
I mean, I
because you have your food forever.
I mean, I don't get no question.
Alright.
Question from Gambia.
Would you rather someone to kidnap Zadik, your brother, or for Jax, your dog, to die?
I should have learned that.
No, but
I should have learned that. I should have learned. No, man, I never dog. Cause that would have been that easy question for me. Kill Jax.
oh god.
Wait a sec.
That kill Jax.
The brother or the dog. That make you kill the brother for the dog. Alright, you ask one question now.
Are you a time for ask nothing?
Oh.
Yeah.
Ew. Ushen, would you rather... I love your taste. Would you rather... Wait. Would you rather... Cut this out. Would you rather... lose your hearing or your voice?
Prefer lose me hearing.
Okay.
You rather say hearing than your voice?
Yeah, you have to sing. Yeah.
But you're not here, we are sing too.
Exactly.
No man, but I lose, you know. I did have you already, so I actually probably knew that, would I know my son already, so. Okay. Yeah. Some hearing aid I can. Something.
No, you're completely lost.
Completely.
We're not talking about hearing aid.
Just gone.
No help.
No help.
No.
Well, if I lose the voice. No, I lose the hearing. You can't more I can talk, you know.
So how you know what you're saying?
It better me can talk and hear, because you can tell me something and I don't want to hear. But I want to tell you something and you have to hear me.
Good question. If you're deaf, you're dumb.
Remember, I lose it.
Not all the time.
Remember, me lose it. That means at one point, me could hear.
People who are born deaf, they are classified as dumb because they don't know how speaking actually is.
I don't know, it's a question that mix up right.
Alright, we go too far with this question, yeah?
No, you live some of your life they hear, you know.
Yeah.
So you know if you talk already.
Yeah.
So it would be like you're losing now.
Oh,
So you could have still talk, but you just now go hear.
But you would be like,
No,
But you see the thing though, but I lose my first because sometimes I regret saying certain things. Sometimes I listen to somebody and you're that beg so you want to tell them some bad word and like you're just sitting there, you can't say nothing. Now you probably just say it, but then can't hear you. You just bring a peace.
Free more talk, please.
Yeah. Let's do that now. Who next? Anything you want to do.
Would you rather be in jail for a year or lose a year of your life?
Nice same thing. Be in jail for a year.
So you basically would have be dead So 1 year. Or
No, it that means you cut down the time for your
I
life.
think that cut down the time for your lifespan. Like if you live a 8 year, 79.
I would say just why is it me go in a jail? Cut down 1 year then.
Yeah, true.
Because you go either way you go lose 1 year.
Anyway, take it.
And suppose me live to be 89 and I just 88 me go live for. You understand? Because when I year in a jail.
Would you rather
I will ask.
have sex with a dog or a goat?
You always a combination.
There's no rather in that, you know. There's no.
As a Jamaican man, you have a responsibility not to answer that question.
If I want a little piece.
Look how clear, sir. One big something for me.
And that me look on, me look on how me take up one big piece of myself.
That means no put it
Don't put it back in there.
It is bad. Yeah, no.
If you can remember it,
Yeah, no.
yeah, come on.
Swallow. Swallow la la. You just go slide down, you know.
Why for that still?
A pepper?
It just had this bad little not supposed to be in your mouth feeling.
And it's stay in there too.
Yeah.
Well, at least after this, we're going to be healthy. We don't have to take bitters in 1 year.
Anything ain't your idea.
Gone.
Gone.
Alright, so who asked us? Who we
I think
are?
I'm if you asking okay, she hurry and ask me question.
Yeah.
She have got a piece more. Hello.
Yeah.
Let me see what I want to know. Would you rather have sex with an ape? Or a donkey?
Human beings. Answer the question.
But all of them are big.
Yeah, Taki.
Wow.
Oi! Yeah, man.
Okay.
Wait, stop.
What the fuck?
Stop.
So what's like, oh, yeah, you remember the first one for name was that. What the fuck? Anyways.
No water.
Anyways. Would you rather to be... Wait, would you rather to be homeless or no clothes? Like, you can never get clothes.
But then in my house, I up so nobody now listen me naked. Wow, that is so smart.
Why would I never think about that? No, you couldn't always lock up in your house. You have to get food.
Well, you have your house, you can't say no to somebody. Well, why
Shut
not
up
pick
now.
up for you?
Shut up now. Shut up now. Fashion
Well, you
one
say
leave me
clothes,
at
so I can't take one sheet or
I
something around me.
mean, she... No, you can't wrap nothing around you. Like, nothing. You go just bare naked the rest of your life.
Naked for the rest of my life. And just lock up in my house.
Alright.
Then
And then...
homeless.
And then...
No, me and my sister.
No, me say when you want to live.
Have you ever heard call to order and online shopping?
That and their
Where
job.
money would have happened. Well,
This is a job. Yeah, bro.
naked for the rest of my life.
Alright.
Alright.
I will ask. I will ask.
Ask
Nobody.
it then.
Wow. You want me ask one? You would rather a goat to buck you like in your bottom or you eat? Trip on a seaweed.
Why you come up with this? Yeah.
Like you have your one specific measurement because you
You
can't
know
say
that bung up your bottom now?
Seaweed.
Yeah.
eat the seaweed.
Seaweed can't eat.
I don't know. Yeah, some seaweed make ice cream.
Oh, I never knew.
Yeah.
Seaweed.
Educational shows for your children.
Fire children. Alright.
I'm gonna ask one. I'm gonna ask now.
Ask me.
Would you rather be able to see 10 minutes into your own future or 10 minutes into the future of anyone but yourself?
My future, dad.
No, that's not
Why am I asking about the future? What that to do for me?
Ariel, some people will love people business. I say I really love people business more than
Let me
your
answer.
Alright.
Would you rather being able to get $10 million right now or bring back no, not 10 million, $50 million right now, $70 million right now, or bring back one person we lost?
We are asked.
You.
I prefer bring back some of them last.
Who would that be? Best friend?
One of my best friends, you know.
You know why I won't bring them back? Because I don't know how that will affect my life. Certain things, God does certain things. Let me tell you something. I would not bring back anybody because I don't know how it will affect your life right now.
No matter.
If they're gone for a reason.
Yeah. But I just wish them would have get one chance to tell them goodbye properly.
They can't pray. I ask God to send them.
If I could bring back, I'd bring back
your bestie.
Bring back one of them to work.
To what? Bring back
Your
one.
children.
That bring him back on earth, yes. Alright.
Suppose imagine if them live their best life, though, you know. Like,
I go bring them back. I said, exactly. You come back to Jamaica to come feel pain.
Well, I bring him back because I know I never feel anything finished.
Well, if you feel that.
Well, if I your best friend now, a true
fine.
friend, you would appreciate, say, think about him enough to bring him back to live more little more life. Alright, let me ask one. Talk to me.